Dusk-to-Dawn photocells keep outdoor lights on only when needed, but if they're poorly adjusted, the result is wasted energy, higher costs, and unreliable safety. Correct calibration delivers 3 big wins: energy efficiency, reliable lighting, and scalability. From a single porch light to entire city networks, start with positioning. At 2 to 3 meters, tilt the sensor down. At 4 to 6 meters, keep it horizontal. Beyond 7 meters, a slight upward tilt works best. Proper placement prevents false triggers. Next, adjust lux thresholds. Most sensors switch on around 20 lux and off near 70 to 80. Use a lux meter to fine-tune settings to real-world conditions. For accuracy, follow these guidelines: streets 10 to 15 lux, walkways 5 to 10, parking lots 15 to 20, and tunnels up to 100 lux. Matching lux to environment ensures both safety and efficiency. Avoid mistakes like blocking the sensor's view, placing it near other light sources, or ignoring seasonal daylight shifts. Need easier adjustment? LongJoin offers 3 options: JL207 with screw-type dials, JL243 with digital control panels, and JL103 with factory pre-calibrated settings, all built tough, and UL-certified. Small adjustments make a big difference, saving energy, extending lamp life, and keeping spaces safe. For reliable dusk-to-dawn performance, choose LongJoin photocells.